Hey guys, welcome to TJ's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some pickled red onions. First, going to start off by cutting a red onion in half, peeling off the outer layer, and then I'm going to cut off the ends and thinly slice the onion pole to pole, as shown here. I find one medium large red onion fits really great in a 500 milliliter mason jar. I'm going to take my sliced onion and stuff it into the mason jar. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon or a splash of maple syrup. This is my homemade maple syrup. A quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. A pinch of salt and pepper, and then I'm going to fill the rest of the jar with some boiling hot water. After, I'm going to put the lid on, give it a good shake. Then I'm going to wait for it to come to room temperature and then store it in the fridge. I find leaving it for about 24 hours gets the best results. You can use it after an hour, I just like it a little bit marinated better. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the pickled red onions.